Gentlemen, let's be direct. Are you seeing those viral videos out there? The ones promising you rock-hard erections in 20 minutes by mixing baking soda with lemon juice or beetroot or some other kitchen ingredient? Stop right there. As a urologist, Dr. Freya Parkar needs to tell you something critical. These claims are not just misleading. They are incredibly, dangerously false. You might be desperate for a quick fix, a natural solution to improve your erectile function and reclaim your confidence. Dr. Freya Parkar understands that frustration, but blindly following unproven remedies like baking soda could land you in the emergency room, not the bedroom. You are risking your health, your kidneys, your heart, all for a myth. Today, Dr. Freya Parkar is going to pull back the curtain on this dangerous trend. Dr. Freya Parkar will tell you why baking soda cannot give you an erection, what the real risks are, and what science-backed, safe solutions actually exist for. Erectile dysfunction. This isn't what you want to hear, but it's what you need to hear to protect your health. Don't go anywhere. Your body will thank you. So, why do these miracle cure videos, especially ones involving something as common as baking soda, gain so much traction? It's simple. The promise of an easy, natural, instant fix for a deeply personal and frustrating problem like erectile dysfunction is incredibly appealing. Many men, particularly as they age, begin to experience changes in their erectile quality. Perhaps consistency is an issue, or hardness, or even just the confidence that comes with a reliable erection. The natural instinct is to seek solutions. And when pharmaceutical options seem daunting or perhaps costly, the idea of a kitchen remedy becomes incredibly attractive. We all want a shortcut, a magic bullet, but here's the critical point. The human body, especially its complex physiological processes like an erection, simply does not work with magic bullets from the pantry. An erection is a complex interplay of healthy blood vessels, nitric oxide production, nerve signals, and psychological factors. It's not something you can just turn on with a simple chemical reaction in a glass. If you've ever felt desperate enough to consider one of these quick fixes, hit that like button. Let Dr. Freya Parkar know in the comments below what's the wildest miracle cure for male performance you've ever heard of. Dr. Freya Parkar wants to see how much misinformation is out there. Understanding why these myths spread is the first step. The next is to understand the scientific truth and, crucially, the very real dangers. Let's get straight to it. These viral claims suggest mixing baking soda with various ingredients for instant rock-hard erections. Dr. Freya Parkar has seen these formulas circulating, so let's break down why they are physiologically impossible and downright dangerous. Myth 1. Baking soda plus lemon juice for detoxification and erections. This mixture is often touted for detoxifying the body with the implied benefit of improved blood flow. The reality, when baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, mixes with an acid like lemon juice, it creates a vigorous fizzing reaction, producing carbon dioxide gas. That's it. It doesn't magically detoxify your blood vessels, nor does it have any direct mechanism to cause an erection. Your kidneys and liver are your body's natural detoxifiers, not a fizzy drink. Myth 2. Baking soda plus beetroot juice for enhanced nitric oxide. Beetroot juice is rich in nitrates, which your body can convert into nitric oxide, a crucial molecule for relaxing blood vessels and aiding erections. We've talked about that, but adding baking soda, it doesn't enhance this process. In fact, some studies suggest that changing the pH with bicarbonate might even interfere with nitrate conversion in certain circumstances. The benefit from beetroot is despite the baking soda, not because of it. And again, no instant erection. Myth 3. Baking soda plus milk and honey for calming stress and energy boost. This one plays on general wellness. Milk and honey might offer some comfort or energy, but baking soda has absolutely no known calming or direct energy boosting effects in this context. Stress does impact erections, but a baking soda concoction isn't a therapeutic intervention for stress management. It's a baseless claim. Myth 4. Baking soda plus ginger tea for stimulating circulation. Ginger has some vasodilatory properties and can aid circulation in general, but mixing it with baking soda, this combination doesn't create a miracle stimulant for penile blood flow. Again, the baking soda does nothing to enhance ginger's mild effects on circulation for erectile purposes, and certainly not instantly. Myth 5. Baking soda plus pomegranate juice for blood vessel protection. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants, which are good for overall cardiovascular health. But adding baking soda doesn't amplify its antioxidant properties or suddenly transform it into an ED cure. The purported protection is from the pomegranate itself, not the baking soda. And it's a long-term dietary benefit, not an instant erection fix. Here's the scientific reality. Erections require a complex cascade of events involving healthy vascular function, nerve signals, and adequate nitric oxide synthesis. Baking soda does not play any role in this process. A comprehensive review published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, e.g. Shamlu and Ghanem, 2013, Erectile Dysfunction, and countless other medical texts unequivocally state that effective treatments for ED focus on addressing underlying causes like cardiovascular health, diabetes management, hormonal imbalances, and psychological factors, or involve pharmacologic interventions, not kitchen ingredients like baking soda. There is simply no reputable scientific literature or clinical data supporting the use of baking soda for erectile dysfunction. Let Dr. Freya Parkar tell you about a patient. Let's call him Mark, a man in his late 60s who came to Dr. Freya Parkar after trying one of these very baking soda cures he saw online. He was desperate. After consuming a mixture of baking soda and a fruit juice for a few days, he didn't get rock-hard erections. Instead, he developed severe stomach cramps, nausea, and persistent diarrhea. He even felt laden and weak. We ran tests and found his electrolyte balance was dangerously off due to the excessive sodium in the baking soda. He could have ended up in the hospital with a much more serious condition like metabolic alkalosis or severe dehydration, all for a false promise. Mark's story is a stark reminder. When it comes to your health, especially something as critical as your heart, kidneys, and overall well-being, you simply cannot trust viral internet claims over medical science. These unproven remedies are not just ineffective, they are genuinely dangerous. If this story makes you rethink what you see online, please share this video with any man you know who might be falling for these dangerous myths. Your share could literally prevent someone from harming themselves. So, if baking soda is out, what does actually work? The real path to improved male performance isn't a single ingredient or a quick fix. It's a comprehensive, evidence-based approach that targets the root causes of erectile dysfunction and boosts overall male vitality. Think of it as building a strong foundation, not adding a flimsy facade. First, the lifestyle foundations. 1. Heart-healthy diet. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. What's good for your heart is good for your penis. 2. Regular exercise. Cardio and strength training improve blood flow, vascular health, and can boost testosterone naturally. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress floods your body with hormones that can inhibit erections. Find healthy ways to cope like meditation or hobbies. 4. Quality sleep. Essential for hormone regulation and overall bodily repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. Second, for many men, medical interventions are necessary and highly effective. 1. Oral medications, PD-5 inhibitors. Drugs like Selena, Viagra, Tadalafil, Cialis are proven to work by increasing blood flow to the penis when aroused. 2. Vacuum erection devices, VDs. Non-invasive mechanical aids. 3. Penile injections or urethral suppositories. Deliver medication directly. 4. Penile implants, a surgical option for severe cases. And here is something absolutely non-negotiable. Always consult your urologist or primary care physician. Erectile dysfunction is often an early warning sign of serious underlying health conditions. Heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, neurological issues. Ignoring ED and trying unproven cures is like ignoring a check engine light on your car and hoping baking soda will fix the engine. It won't. It will only delay proper diagnosis and treatment of a potentially life-threatening condition. Gentlemen, your health and your confidence are far too important to gamble on dangerous internet myths. Reclaim your performance and vitality, but do it safely, wisely, and with a backing of science. Talk to your doctor. Implement healthy lifestyle changes. There are proven effective solutions out there, and Dr. Freya Parker, as your urologist, is here to guide you. If this video helped you understand the dangers of these miracle cures and pointed you towards real solutions, please hit that like button right now. It tells us we're making a difference. And please share this video with any man you know who needs to hear this urgent, life-saving truth. Your share could literally save someone from harm. To never miss our trusted, evidence-based men's health advice, subscribe to Vitality Health 101 and hit that notification bell. On this channel, you won't find deceptive claims or quick fixes. You'll only find real medical knowledge, proven strategies, and honest advice that Dr. Freya Parker has successfully applied with hundreds of patients. This is your trusted source for male health. And next time, Dr. Freya Parker is diving deep into a topic often misunderstood but critical for male vitality. The truth about testosterone supplements, what works, what's dangerous, and when to consider them. If you've ever thought about boosting your testosterone levels, this next video will give you the crucial, unbiased information you need to make safe and effective decisions. Understanding testosterone is key to your overall vitality, and you won't want to miss that. And finally, your thoughts matter. Share your questions or experiences with unproven remedies below in the comments, respectfully and privately. Our community thrives on open discussion, but let's keep it fact-based. Thank you for investing in yourself today. Dr. Freya Parker will see you next time.